10 ways to answer what's your greatest weakness. Number 1.
What's your greatest weakness?
I'm a horrible cook. I once almost set the microwave on fire.
Number 2.
What's your greatest weakness?
I can't live without sweets and junk food. My office desk is always fully stocked with chips, cookies, and various freshly baked pastries.
Number 3.
What's your greatest weakness?
I'm a coffee addict. I get really upset if I do not get my giant cup of coffee in the morning.
Number 4.
What's your greatest weakness?
I don't do well in job interviews. I get really stressed out and forget how to answer questions. Number 5.
What's your greatest weakness?
I'm a rather pessimistic person. I doubt my stock portfolio will turn green anytime soon.
Number 6.
What's your greatest weakness? I have trouble saying no. If I absolutely can't do something, I will say no and then feel really guilty about it.
Number 7.
What's your greatest weakness? I'm obsessed about basketball. I never go away on vacation and use all the saved money on NBA games.
Number 8.
What's your greatest weakness?
I'm extremely lazy on the weekend. Sometimes you will find me in bed in the same position from 10 a.m. Saturday until 10 p.m. on Sunday.
Number 9.
What's your greatest weakness?
I get really nervous in interviews. I'm working really hard to improve this.
Number 10.
What's your greatest weakness?
I think I spend way too much money on winter wear. I'm not a fashionable person by any means, but have like 10 different puffer jackets.
Do you have a favorite? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe.